Now then, welcome to another edition of Yorkshire Vegan. Today we're going to make a lovely vegan oil-free hummus. You only need these few simple ingredients here: tahini, chickpeas, salt, garlic and lemons. And we're going to use a food processor and we're going to turn these into this lovely bowl of vegan oil-free hummus. You're going to need to save the juice from the chickpeas because we'll use it later. Get your food processor, stick everything in except the juice and the salt, give it a blast for about 30 seconds to chop it up roughly, and now you're going to add about half a teaspoon of salt and a little bit of the juice that you've saved from the chickpeas. The reason for this is that you can add a little bit more salt and a little bit more juice later according to your taste and your consistency. So I'm only going to use a little bit to start with and a little bit of salt, and if I'm not happy I'll add more later and give it another blast. Here we go. Blast it for about a minute till it's nice and smooth. I'm going to give it a little taste. Yeah, I'm happy with the salt and the consistency. If not, you can add more at this point. It's up to you. And that's it, basically. This lovely bowl of vegan oil-free hummus. See you next time. Bye.